This is adding using column addition. For this method, we are going to be adding with column addition, but this time some carrying will occur. So as in the previous video, it's going to be laid out exactly the same way. So you can either have the hundreds, tens and ones at the top, or in this case, I'm going to miss that out because it's easier to see my carrying. So I'm going to make sure it's all aligned. So 646, addition sign, 258. Really important that you show that addition sign at all times because the column subtraction and some multiplication questions can be laid out in a very similar way. So just as before, you're going to start from the ones column and you're going to do 6 add 8. Now in this case, 6 add 8 is in fact 14. So the ones column is going to have the 4, the ones from 14. If it's easier, you can put them here and you can just check tens and ones. So the ones goes over here and the tens is going to be carried across. Now I'm going to put it at the top because that way I don't get confused and forget to add it. So now we're going to do 40 add 50, and this is really 10. But to make it easier, it's going to be 4 add 5, which is 9, add 1, which is 10. So as I did before, I'm just going to put it here in case I get confused. I'm going to put from the ones column here, so the 0, and then the 10 is going to be carried over to here. You can cross it out if you want, so you can remember that you've carried it. And then again, this is really 600 add 200 add 100, but to make it easy in your head, you can read it as 6 add 2 add 1. So 6 add 2 is 8. Add 1 is 9, so I'm going to put the 9 there. And the answer to 646 add 258 is 904.